Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A sushi bowl is on our menu today. And here's what we need to make it: sushi rice, rice vinegar, avocado, cucumber, shrimp, crab, and seaweed. If you want to use real crab meat, please feel free to do that. Alright, now, first thing you're going to do, you're going to put some of that rice vinegar in the rice. Just sprinkle it on there. You just need a little bit. And then you're going to arrange everything very nicely on top of the rice, just like I'm doing here. So let me just say, you can use any ingredients that you want to use. So whatever you normally eat in your sushi rolls, like I said, you can do that. So this California roll, you can, you know what, your kitchen, your rules. So even if you don't want to do a particular kind that you get out of the restaurant, you can come up with your own creation. So it's going to be whatever you like. Now the other thing I'm going to tell you is this: you can use these seaweed sheets. So the first time I made it, this is what I used, but I was on TikTok and somebody mentioned using Seaweed Snacks. So I went on Amazon. I found a little carton of snacks. So they're just like smaller sheets than this. And you know what? They're just a little bit easier to crumble up. So these are kind of like a little stronger. So I kind of, with these, I had to cut up, because they're normally used to roll sushi. So the snacks, that's normally what the seaweed that people just eat. So to me, it was easier using snacks than it was using these sheets, but it's going to be totally up to you. And the other thing, for aesthetic purposes, I put it in a pile in the bowl. But the other thing I think seaweed, because when you eat sushi, it's all around the roll. So seaweed, to me, it should be spread all over the entire bowl. I know some people mix theirs up. I don't mix my food up like that. And so what I did do was I ended up spreading it all across the bowl and then eating it. Okay. And if you don't like rice wine vinegar, they also have some seasoning, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So they have rice seasoning that you can use. All right, so I had to go get it, but this is rice seasoning for that. So normally, when you get sushi, there's no seasoning in the rice or whatever. But when we do things at home, sometimes we'll bump up the flavor. We'll do something a little different. So if you want to put a little flavor to your rice, this is mostly seaweed. It's got seaweed, sugar in it, a little bit of salt, and sesame seeds. So I see black and white sesame seeds in there. So it's just normally what we do. All right. And if you want to put a little wasabi, because we normally do that pickled ginger, that wasabi, that you can do that too. So you can make this bowl very, very authentic. So you can make it really taste like you're taking bites of a sushi roll. So think about it. I loved it. I love it. I make it multiple times. I have since I've seen it on TikTok. So it's just something. I don't know if I'll ever go back to rolls of sushi again unless I'm out at a restaurant eating or whatever. But at home, I doubt that I would ever go back to that. But anyway, carry on with the video, because I'm going to show you what the bowl looked like when I was done with it. I put that spicy mayo across it, but sky's the limit. What you can do with these bowls. I absolutely love this recipe. All right, guys. Appreciate you watching. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. All right, this is what it looks like. So I got 3 dressings. I got the sriracha mayo, then I got hoisin, then I got soy sauce. If you have eel sauce or some other kind of seasoning that you want to use, feel free to do that. All right, great recipe. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.